Yeah, I'm in my backyard, or part of my backyard, around the back of the house. That's I call it the snug in there, and I've made these planter boxes around here. And a very nice bit of gardening. Put the farm gate type replicas up on the fence, and put these planter boxes in. And with a little help from my friends, I've got a lovely garden. Anyway, in this garden is a bird bath. Okay, there's a bird bath there. Anyway, there's a pair of blackbirds been coming and bathing in there, and it's been quite fascinating. They were coming at around midday, but now they don't seem to come at midday. They seem to come any day, so I decided to try and film them. And so the last 2 days I've had, I'll show you the setup. I've got an action cam here, I've got another action cam there, and what a hassle. The batteries are running out and changing, and then checking the footage, and then you've got 35 minutes I think, so every half hour I come out and change everything over, then I'm not home, and then I come back and see that they have been here because there's water splashed everywhere, so it's not that easy. Anyway, I've just walking through the lounge and I saw a blackbird fly up onto the fence, and next minute I looked out the kitchen and it was down here. I think it was just the one, so it's going to be my first bit of footage, so I'm really excited. So anyway, that's quite good. I'll just show you what I've got set up here so you can see. I've got that action cam there looking right out across the water, and this one here looking straight out. So anyway, well, that's my first bit of footage. It's quite interesting because I've got another bird bath here, and that's a no-go. They're not interested in that one. They're only interested in the one, and it's a great setting. And I had one of those live view for the action cams on the wrist, and I was sitting around the corner looking, but you've got to get up and do things, and you go too far away, it cuts out. And I had these little, which I'm filming with this one, a little TZ10 and a TX10 and TX20, little Sony, which are great, but they only go film for 12 minutes at a time, so that doesn't work. But I started using my GoPro. My GoPro is black, so I had my GoPro here. So now I've got the GoPro on one, but I've got the action cam there now, the action cam there, and then I've got the other two charging up. So now I can just change them over every half hour, come out, change them over, come out. So it's going to be better. So tomorrow, if I'm on deck, I've got the doctor, so I'll charge them up, get them going, go to the doctor, and then be here all day, change them over. Then I've got physio, so I'll change them over again and go to the physio. So hopefully I'll get some good footage put together, because it's amazing watching the couple of blackbirds, the male and the female. They come down, and one is on watch while the other one has his bath, and then the other one goes on sentry duty. Well, that one has a bath, and they really have a good bath, and then they take off. So I'd like to get that from really down low, you know. So anyway, I'm quite excited about this. So this is what I got today. This is the first bit of footage I got, so I'm quite keen to see what it is, you know. Hopefully there's two of them, but I think there might have been just the one, but that's okay. It's a start, yeah. Okay, see you later. Well, as you can see, that was a single blackbird. Yeah, you just don't know what's going on here, and so the pair haven't showed up yet. So I'll just keep on filming tomorrow and see what happens. Yeah. Oh, something to do, isn't it? Yeah. And it'd be good to get a really good close-up footage of the pair of them bathing. I think that'd be really something special. Yeah. Or something else might come. You know, you just don't know. Haven't put any food out or anything. Yeah. Okay. See ya.